Okay, all. So let me discuss with you or present with you a little bit about reflection. This is for your notes. So reflection. So the general reflection that we learn is actually reflection based on the x-axis and then the y-axis. Though actually there are still many more, like reflection based on the y equals to x, y equals a certain number. Let's say, for example, y equals to 1, x equals to 2, even a point. So there are actually so many of them. But then let me just give you the idea about how do we do reflection for in terms of the x-axis and y-axis. Then you can extend the idea for any type. So in the case of this, let me use another color. So let's try to do reflection based on the x-axis first. So x-axis. So if you see this one, just like reflection mirror. So this is the A. So then how do we make the A accent or the reflection? It will be here, right? So this will be A dash. And then B dash will be 2 to 5. So then we'll be getting in 2. This is B dash. And then C, 6, 3. So it will be here, C dash. And then you see D will be here. So then roughly speaking, the drawing will, well, hopefully it's good enough. Wait, right? See my drawing. So we'll go here, and then here and here. So this will be D dash. So then if you see the shape, yeah, it looks like it's kind of the same. But then the more important part is the pattern. So if we look into the x-axis, oops, x-axis, whatever that we have, for example, 3, 2, it becomes 3, negative 2. You see? That's for the A. The D, for example, that's from 4, 3. It becomes 4, negative 3. So then, in general, then we could say that if we have AB, then we'll be getting A, negative B. Because it's supposed to be logical, right? Because the X should not change, but then only the Y changes. Now, how about the y-axis? So let's see about the y-axis. Let's do the same thing. Let's say I'm using the purple. So we have 3, 2. So then we'll be getting here 3, negative 3, 2, right? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the visual. And then the D, 4, 3, that should be negative 4, 3. It will be here. And then 6, 3, negative 6, 3, oh, exactly here. And then 2, 5, negative 2, 5. So this would be B dash, C dash, D dash, and then A dash. So roughly then drawing could be, oops, should be kind of like this. Okay, so you see, like yeah, that's the reflection, right? So then roughly speaking, it goes like that. And then if we want to make the pattern, if it's for y-axis, the pattern, what is the pattern now? So it's the kind of like the opposite with the x-axis. So now if we have a random AB, now it's the x should be changed, but the y does not change, right? See, the y does not change. So then in that sense, it becomes AB, it becomes negative AB. So these are, if you want the formula, these are the formulas. So x-axis and y-axis. After this, I'll show you how or what to do, visually speaking. How about the y equals x, y equals 1, or the other type of reflection?